Back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to introduce to you our pets, our pet cats rather. So we will start with
Ling.
I will be calling their names. Let's start with Ling. So, come on guys. Here we go. Ling! Come here, Ling! Ling, come here! Laring! Where are you, Laring? Guys, this is Ling. Laring, where are you? Come here. Laring! Ay, pangluod, Laring. Maui! Maui, come here! Come na, Maui!
Laring!
Maui, Laring!
Laring, Maui. Oh, come here, come
Where's
here.
Maui?
Laring,
Where's Maui?
Laring, and
Laring? Guys, this is Laring.
this is Maui.
And this is Maui. Oh my God.
Oh, kita mo na.
Oh,
They
kita
are so
nyo.
obedient.
My pets are so obedient, guys. I want to show you our new pet. A kitten. Its name is LARYANICO. So, ako tawgon ha, si LARYANICO. Oh. Ako yung unang tawag yung name. LARYANICO! Ming! Ming! LARYANICO! Ming! Ming! LARYANICO! Come here! Come here! Hello! Good afternoon, Ming. Come here. Come near me. Where are you? Nico, come here. Come. Come to Amo. Come. Come near me. Come. Come. Come on. Don't be afraid. Come on. It's just a camera. Dali na. Dali na. Hinay. Hina. Ha? Hinay. Hinay. Ali. Hinay. Ha? Lisod ka? Asa man kaagi? Asa kaagi? Ali. Sige, lakang. Lakang, hinay. Sige, dali. Come here. Go. Go. Very good. Very good. Balik na kaw. Balik na. Unahan kag pagkaon? Ha? Hilaw pa man. Hilaw pa man inyong pagkaon. Hilaw pa man inyong pagkaon, oh guys. Muna yung pagkaon sa iring.
Og sa iro.
Ag sa iro.
Ako pang ibuyok.